This video from Sharp, we're taking a quick look at how you can use the PO button here to account for cash payments out of the register, out of the till drawer on your XEA303, 406 or 40S registers. So you might be taking cash out the drawer to pay a supplier, or for whatever reason you're doing it, you can record it on the till, so whoever's doing the report at the end of the day is aware of the money coming out of the register. All you do is you type in the value of the amount, so 1000 for £10, and press the paid out button here. The drawer fires, enabling you to dispense the money, and if you've got the receipt switched on, you get a paid out receipt printout with the value on it. So just to repeat that process, it's the value in the reg mode, so key in the reg mode, value, and then paid out button there. It appears on the display, on the receipt if you've got it switched on, and then when you do your end of day Z report or your shift change X report, so an X report doesn't reset, you have the paid out total there. So we've got two paid out transactions, total £15, and the till has a minus balance. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XEA303 and other Sharp registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.